Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 grammar success with composition, chapter number 13, the simple and the continuous tenses. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, kinds of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, modal verbs, adjectives, degrees of comparison, use of articles, phrases and sentences, framing questions, question tags, relative pronouns, adverbs, revision exercise 1, subject verb agreement, the simple and the continuous tenses part 1. Okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here we will discuss about the remaining part of the chapter number 13. So here in the last video we have discussed about up to D. In this video we will discuss from here exercise A. So here correct the following sentences. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here the simple past tense. Okay, in simple past tense so you have to use the second form of the verb V2. So here the first one, James Watt has invented the steam engine. So now you have to make it rectify. So here this is the structure of simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus others. So here V2 means the second form of the verb, go, went, gone. So here went, this is V2, the second form of the verb. So here James Watt has invented. Here you have to write invented, not has invented. Then next, I have written a letter to her yesterday. That means the action happened in the past. Okay, so you have to use simple past. So here you have to erase have written and use wrote. Okay, wrote in place of have written. Then next, Mr. Gupta has suffered from fever last night. Has fever. This is wrong. You have to write suffered V2. Okay. Then next here, I have passed my MA in 1990. So here I passed, not I have passed, because the action completed in the past and there is no relation to the present. So we have to use the second form of the verb, that means simple past. So here you have to use I passed my MA in 1990. The next year they have left the house a week ago. Week ago means past, right? So here you have to erase have left and use left in place of have left. Then next here I had gone to the theater last night. Last night means yes past. So here you have to write went, the second form of the verb. Okay, you have to use V2 went. I went, not I had gone. Then next they are run in the field. They ran in the field. Okay, so here this is wrong. They are run. So here you have to use run, ran, run. The second form of the verb run, ran, run. So here you have to use ran. Then next, I am believing you are right. So this is wrong. I believed. Okay, I believed. The second form of the verb. Okay, believed V2. First form believe, second form believed. Then next here. So here positive, negative and interrogative structure. Okay. So here as you know the positive, subject plus V2 plus other. Then negative, subject plus did. In simple present we use do or does, but in simple past we have to use did. Did plus not plus V1. Then interrogative means yes no. So in yes no, so as you know in yes no auxiliary verb used at the beginning of the sentence, did plus subject plus V1 plus other. Okay, so just you have to remember this structure so that you can easily form positive, negative as well as interrogative sentences. Clear? So here fill in the blanks with the correct form of the simple past tense. Simple past. So here the dress dash when she dash right. Okay, shrink past tense shrank when she washed. Okay. Then next, the ambulance dashed the injured people to the hospital. The ambulance took, the past tense of take, took. Then next, he dashed for the book out. He paid, past tense of pay, you know paid. But forget past tense, forgot. Then next year, the child dashed hide, okay, the toy. Hide past tense, hid. when he saw, past tense of she saw, his mother approaching. The next, the hunters dash not the leopard, although could not, okay, could not catch. Although they kept, past tense of keep, kept. Then next, he dash what? Mean, past tense of mean, meant. He meant what he said, past tense of say, said. When they with him, they quarreled, past tense of quarrel, quarrelled. The next year he dash those stamps when he dash a child, he collected. Okay, those stamps when, to here be verb is provided. So be verb you know, be verb is, am, are, was, were. So here you have to use was because we are talking about the past when he was a child. Okay, so here be verb means you have to use was. Okay. The next year they always dash the light on so that latecomers dash find the way in. They always left. Okay, left, past tense of leave, left, so that the latecomers can, past tense could. The next year she dash lunch before she dash go out. She prepared, past tense of prepare, prepared. When she went, past tense of go, went. The next year his voice never here past tense of shook. When he stand, past tense stood. Okay, stood up to the address the audience. Then next here complete the following conversation. Put in the simple past negative statements and questions. Okay, so here Ankita dash a night weekend in Chennai. So here you gave. Okay, so here you have. Okay, so here you have to use simple past negative statement. That means negative interrogative. Okay. So here didn't you have? Didn't you have? Or you can also write did you not have? Okay. So if you want to write in contracted, then you have to write didn't you. If you want in full form, then you have to write did you not have? Okay. The next Rohan, yes, thanks. It was good. So dash to do too much. We not try. We did not try. Simple past. Okay. The next year Ankita, what sights did you see? The next Rohan, we went to the beach. I didn't know that there is so much in there. So here not know. So you have to just add here didn't know. The next Ankita, and what show did you go to? Okay. The next Rohan, oh, a musical, I forget the name. I didn't like it. So here not like it. So you have to add here didn't like it. Ankita, oh dear, and did Mary enjoy it? This is yes no question. Okay, did Mary enjoy it? The next Rohan, not really. Mary did some shopping too, but I, so here not want. Just you have to add here did. Okay, so here in this exercise you find the use of yes no as well as negative and double edge questions. Okay. The next here past continuous tense. Okay, so past continuous, this is the positive structure, subject plus was or were plus v1 ing plus others. So here fill in the blanks by using the past continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. So here he dash sleep. So here as you know he third person singular, so you have to use was. He was sleeping while I was working. So I first person singular, so you have to use was, not were. Okay, so just you have to follow this structure, subject plus was or were plus v1 ing plus other. v1 means the first form of the verb. The next year my father dash his car when the manager came. So here my father third person singular, so you have to use was, then add ing with the main verb. The next year the boys dash with their grandparents when the tragedy struck. The boys third person plural, so you have to use were. Okay, then add ing with the main verb, staying. The next year I dash for you at the cinema hall yesterday afternoon. So here I first person singular, so add was, so use was and add ing with the main verb. Then next you dash not listen when the teacher. Okay, you were not, to you second person singular here and you have to use were. Okay, you were not listening when the teacher was explaining. The teacher third person singular, so you have to use was. The next year as I dash the tree, the ants beat me. तो I first person singular, so use was, then add ing with the main verb. As I was climbing. The next, while he dashed home, a dog beat him. While he, third person singular, so use was. The next, while she was painting, he was weeding the garden. He, third person singular, so use was. Then add ing with the main verb. Okay. The next here they dash the windows at 5 in the evening. So here they third person plural, so use were. They were cleaning. The next, as she dashed the road, she saw an accident. As she was crossing, that means when she was crossing the road, she saw an accident. One action happened suddenly, and another action was going on. Which action was going on? As she was crossing. Okay. The next year answer the following questions begin with S. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here, did Asim run fast? Yes, he ran very fast and won a prize. So similarly, did you reach in time? So yes, I reached. So here you have to use the second form of the verb, reached. Did you finish your work on time? So here finished. Yes, I finished my work on time. Did you phone your grandmother? So here phone, past tense, phoned. Yes, I phoned my grandmother. Similarly, did the practical file cost a lot? Yes, it cost a lot. So here past tense of cost, same, cost. Yes, it cost a lot. The next, did Suraj dirty his dress? So here dirty, past tense, dirted. Yes, Suraj dirted his dress. The next, did you finish your milk? Finish, past tense, finished. Yes, I finished my milk. The next, did you pray in the morning? So here past tense of pray, prayed. Yes, I prayed in this morning. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.